In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a broker on TradingView. By the end, you'll be ready to connect your brokerage account so you can place trades directly from your charts with confidence. Start on any TradingView chart. If you're not already on a chart, open one from your watch list or create a new symbol search. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of the screen and click Trading Panel. This opens the area where all supported brokers are listed. Think of it as the control center that links your charting workspace to your brokerage account. Next, choose your broker from the list. You'll typically see popular options like Oanda, FXCM, Interactive Brokers, and TradeStation, among others. If you don't immediately see yours, use the search bar within the panel or scroll through the categories. Keep in mind that availability can vary by region and account type, so confirm that your specific account is supported and whether you're connecting a live or paper account. When you've found your broker, click Connect. Selecting the broker name will trigger a login window to pop up. This is a secure, broker-authorized sign-in flow, often handled through OAuth, which means your credentials are verified by the broker, not stored in TradingView. If the window doesn't appear, check your browser's pop-up settings and try again. Log in with your broker credentials and approve the connection when prompted. You may see a permissions screen explaining what TradingView can do on your behalf, such as reading balances and placing orders. Review and confirm. You can typically revoke this access later from your broker's security settings if needed. Once the connection is successful, return to the trading panel. You should now see your broker's name displayed along with your account balance. This confirms you're linked. If your broker supports multiple accounts or environments, make sure the correct one is selected. Before placing any real orders, verify that the order ticket in TradingView shows your broker at the top and reflects the expected buying power. If anything looks off, click Disconnect in the trading panel and reconnect or refresh the page to reinitialize the session. A few quick tips to wrap up. Always ensure you're on the official TradingView site and your broker's legitimate login page. Look for the secure padlock and correct URL. If your broker isn't listed, check TradingView's supported brokers page or contact support to confirm availability. And finally, practice with a paper account first if your broker offers it, so you can get comfortable with order placement from the chart. That's it. Your broker is now set up on TradingView. Happy trading!